Hello, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone is having a wonderful start to their week. I am excited to be here with you today to show you this super cute and fast and quick cards. So I'm actually going to only demonstrate one of them, but they're all very similar and with the same cut dimensions. So should be easy peasy to do. Hey Ginger, so glad you could join me today. So today I am featuring the Music from My Heart stamp set. So let me pull that in so you can see it. Hopefully I'm in the screen. So this is one of the $1 Million Achiever stamp sets that was designed by Dawn Olfcheski. And it's sadly going to be on the retiring list. So today is actually the last day to purchase this lovely stamp set. So I'm going to show you some great projects that you can make using this stamp set today. Okay? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and set this aside and show you these cards first. So this is one, and these are all super simple. So this is the first one, and got the cute guitar and the hearts are stamped off and you rock, and it's a little birthday card on the inside. So love it, love it, love it, love it. So the second one has little music notes with the hearts and forget your trebles, and then brought the design to the inside as well. Love it, love it, love it. Hey ladies, I'm so glad that you're joining me. I'm not seeing the comments pop up on my phone this time, but I am seeing them sort of on my computer. But I will make sure I go back and read all the comments and answer any questions. So you guys definitely leave me questions if you've got any. And then this is the one I'm actually going to show you today. It's just a note of thanks. Cute. So all these are cut with the same layers, and then I just stamped it slightly different. Excuse me. Ooh, little cough there. So we are going to slide these out of the way, and I'll tell you the cut dimensions that we're going to work with today. So we are working with a piece of 8.5 by 5.5 basic black cardstock, and then I've got two pieces of 3.25 by 4.5 lovely lipstick cardstock, and then two pieces of 3 1/8 by 4 3/8 whisper white cardstock. So I've got the layers the same on the inside and the outside of the card, and all three cards are the same layers. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to start by folding my cardstock in half for my card base. So we'll just line up those edges and give that a nice good crease. I'm going to get my bone folder. Helps me with my arthritis and gives me a nice good crease. Crisp crease. Ugh, I can't say that very well, can I? So I'm going to slide this out of the way. I'm going to pull in my two whisper white pieces because that's where I want to start. So let's just get that out of our way so we can see those right there. All right, so I'm going to bring in a Memento black ink pad. And I'm going to start with the little lines. I know that there's technical terms for you music folks, but I played the violin way back when, but I don't remember anything. So I obviously was not that good. So we get our line stamped. That sets our palette for our notes. So we'll put in our music notes next. So I'm going to start with this big image here and go ahead and stamp that down. So cute, so cute, so cute. Now, this is a photopolymer stamp set, so if you ever have trouble getting good, clean images with your photopolymer stamp sets, try putting a foam pad underneath. I have a large stack of paper underneath this, so I'm getting some pretty good images, and we'll go ahead and get this. Oh, I didn't ink that up very good, did I? Let's do that again. One great thing about photopolymer is that you can line them back up pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Worst case scenario, you can flip it over. But since I'm this far in, I'm going to just go with it. And we'll do that one. And then put one here. Now, I don't know if those are actual notes, like the placement or anything on this is correct, but that's okay. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment, which is just a note. So somebody that is actually really into music, you might need to pay more attention to what your placement looks like, but I'm not going to worry about it on this one. So I'm going to go ahead, while I've got my black ink out and my stamps, I'm going to go ahead and do my inside layer as well, since most of my stamping is with black. So I've got my inside sentiment, and I'm going to bring that note inside as well. because I think that's cute. All right, so let's add a little pop of color with our lovely lipstick. Who is so sad that this is retiring? Today's the last day. Last day you can get this ink, cardstock, the blends. Oh, so sad. All right, so I'm going to take this little baby heart, which is super cute, and I'm going to stamp, just add a little heart here. Now, if you wanted to create the hearts that I did on some of the other cards, so see how this one has them in multiple shades, I would just continue to stamp, and you can see that you get it lighter and lighter and lighter. So that's how I created that. So you're not missing anything, even though we're just going to do the one card today. All right, so now I'm going to pull in my lovely lipstick blends, and I want to color in that heart there. You could use markers as well if you don't have the blends, but I want to put some shading, so I'm going to start with my dark, and I'm going to put just some shading on one side, and then I'm going to color in with my light. Now, if you've not used blends very much, you might see there's a little bit of a line when you transition colors. If you just go over the top of that with the lighter color a few times, it's going to blend that line out, and so you get a nice smooth light to dark. I think it's fabulous. Hopefully you guys can see that really well. Get that up closer maybe. It's really nice. I love it. Okay, now I'm ready to put this card together, and it's going to be so fast and easy. Okay, so I'm going to flip this over. You know the blends do bleed through your cardstock, so this is why we always want to layer when we're working with blends. And then I'm going to lay this down on my piece. I can't get my head over the top, so I don't really know where I'm at position-wise, but that's okay. I'm going to flip that over, and I'm going to use some of the black dimensional dots. You can use the white ones. It really makes no difference. It's whatever you prefer. You can use big ones or little ones. I just happen to have the black big ones right here, so that's what I'm going to grab and use. I'm so glad you guys joined me today. All right, center that on here. Cute. I love it. I just love it. Okay, so let's bring the design to the inside as well, and we're going to go ahead and do the same layering that we just did. Pull in my snail adhesive. You might have caught me using my my leftover fast fuse. It's almost gone, so I won't have much to use very much longer, but I'm going to use it until it's gone. Don't want to waste any of my products. All right, and we'll put this on the inside here. Cute, right? So fast and easy. So let me pull in the other cards as well. So there was this one and this one. So these were actually inspired by cards that I saw created by, I think it was Jackie Bullheis. And I just thought they were nice, fast, and easy, simple cards. These would make a great card for an online workshop. And obviously this stamp set is retiring. It's our last day to get this. But there's lots of great stamp sets that we could do, some fast, easy cards for an online workshop. So if you're interested, let me know. Our new catalog starts tomorrow. And in June, when you host a party, and an online workshop counts as a party, hosting a party, you get an additional $25 in host rewards when your party sales reach $250, which is awesome. It's like doubling your rewards when you hit a $250 party. So yay, love that. So anyway, so like I said, this is the last day for our current catalog, last day to get this wonderful, slide this over so you can see this stamp set, Music from the Heart stamp set, and then I've got some alternate cards to show you as well. So I had a bingo event this past weekend, and these are the cards that we made at our bingo event. So isn't that pretty? Loved how these turned out. Super cute, super cute. And they all feature this wonderful stamp set. So anybody that decides to place an order today, doesn't matter what you purchase, but of course you're going to want this Music from the Heart stamp set if you don't have it already. But if you place an order today with me and use this host code, KARKZYRF, then I will send you the tutorial to make these 4 cards. Awesome? Yay! All right, well, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Give me some likes, share with your crafty friends, subscribe to me. I very much appreciate it, and I will catch you all next Tuesday for some more live paper crafting. Thanks so much. Have a great week. Bye.